Hi friends, I am Raj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see how to upgrade Tally Prime latest release. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. In this session, we are going to see first reason for upgrade Tally Prime latest release. Next, who is eligible for upgrade Tally Prime latest release? How to upgrade Tally Prime latest release? Finally, key points. Let's see reason for upgrade Tally Prime latest release. The first one, latest taxation update as per the statutory norms. As of now, what is the statutory changes happen? We can update it in our product. We can able to use it by upgrading latest release. Any Tally Prime new enhancement you will get in latest release. Finally, product improvements. Any issues will be fixed in upcoming or upgraded release only. Once upgraded to latest release, we can able to enjoy up-to-date available features. Otherwise, we can able to use only outdated features. Now let's see who is eligible for upgrade Tally Prime latest release. If you are using valid Tally license version, those cases, if your Tally Prime software service subscription is valid, then you are eligible to use upgrade features in Tally product itself. You can able to upgrade. Or if you are purchasing new package, your Tally software subscription will be valid for 1 year. Those cases also you are eligible to use upgrade latest release. In case you are using older version, recently you are upgraded to Tally Prime new version, those cases also you are eligible to upgrade Tally Prime latest release for next 1 year. Now we have mentioned 3 reasons. If you are existing Tally user, or if you are new Tally Prime customer, or if you are upgraded to Tally older version to Tally Prime new version, all the cases, if a Tally software subscription is valid, then you are eligible to upgrade latest release. Now let's see how to upgrade Tally Prime latest release. If you are using Tally Prime education version or without license, you can download Tally Prime latest release from Tally Solutions site. I can use for education purpose or in education mode. If you are using Tally Prime license, those cases, if your Tally software subscription is valid, you can directly upgrade by using the Tally Prime upgrade features within the Tally Prime product. Let's see practically how to upgrade Tally Prime latest release. If you are using education mode, once open Tally Solutions site, there is an option buy. If you want to buy a new package, you can get into buy, or click on download option for education mode. Click on download. In this page, it will show you what is new in that latest release, or you can click on download option. If you want to see what is new in latest release, click on that. Currently we are clicking on Tally Prime release 1.1.3. It will load one more page. In the release note, what is new in Tally Prime release 1.1.3. In this release note, the key highlights of release note 1.1.3, the major changes happened related to GST filing. If over opt for QRMP scheme, they can file invoice furnishing facility by using Tally Prime application latest release 1.1.3. Similarly, for home and VAT is introduced in this release. Next, the major changes happened related to product improvement release 1.1.3. Invoice printing part. Similarly, the display mode in Tally Prime. Next, the e-invoicing related some major changes happen. By mistake, if you are cancel that e-invoicing part, you can able to undo invoice registration number cancellation in Tally Prime's application itself. Transporter name in e-way bill, it's updated in release 1.1.3. One more important update is the product description in e-invoicing. It is not captured previous release. Now this issues fixed in current release 1.1.3. Other product updates are accounting financial report, TCS printing option, banking features, and printing check in Tally in vertical mode. Then BRS issues fixed in this release, and e-payment option also, the Bank of Baroda and Yes Bank option is fixed here. Let's see how to upgrade latest release in Tally Prime application. Currently we are using Tally Prime single users license version. Upgrade latest release, you need to click on right hand side top of the corner help option. Click on F1 help menu. It will show you list of option. Now we are going to see about that Tally Prime product. Currently we are using 1.1.2. It is showing this is the latest release. For upgrade latest release, click on F1 help in that upgrade option. It will show you Tally Prime release 1.1.2 is we are already using it. If you want to upgrade latest release, in the same screen click on F12 configure, enable show all releases. Here we can able to see the latest release available 1.1.3. Click on enter. Product update screen will come. There you need to click on update option. Once click on update, it will ask you want to continue the process. Click on continue, yes. Next it will ask to log in administrator level. Once upgrade process is over, we can able to use that updated features in latest release. Once Tally Prime is reloaded, if you want to see which release you are using, click on help. In that list, you click on about option. There we can able to see which release you are using currently. Same release status we can able to see from the gateway of Tally screen itself by using some shortcut keys. From the gateway of Tally screen or whichever screen you are in, if you want to see any latest release, which release you are using, by pressing Ctrl Alt B, you can able to see in the calculator panel it is showing that Tally Prime release 1.1.3 build and update details will be displayed. Now let's see key point to be remember for update latest release. Before updating any new release or before changing anything in your system, you need to take a backup, mandatory. Next, check latest updates available in new release. Any new update in the latest release, we need to check whether it's belong to our region or any new features related to our nature of business, then you can go for upgrade latest release. Next, you need to check Tally software subscription validity, because if your Tally software subscription validity is there, then you are eligible to upgrade latest release. First you need to renew that Tally Prime subscription. If your Tally software subscription is valid, then you can go for upgrade within Tally Prime application itself. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this knowledge sharing session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.